So in this tutorial, you will learn how to set your SIM card just for your family and loved one. Now, if you're a type that you just want only your family or your loved one to call you in a particular SIM card, then you have another number that you want all random number to be calling you. Any number can call you in that particular SIM card. There's no problem. This video will teach you how you can set up a particular SIM card that only your family member will be calling you, your loved one will be calling you. No anybody will be able to call you on that SIM card, just only your family and your loved one. So whenever you hear that ringing tone, you know that it is your family calling you. Or whenever you see a call popping up on your phone, you know that this is your family call that is actually calling you. But no any number can be able to call you if you enable these settings. So I'm going to teach you in this video how you can set up these settings. For you to be able to do that, first we need to go over to our phone call settings, which is this very one, the one I circled. It is on your phone. Just click on phone call. So under the phone call, guys, pay attention very well. Come over to this place that says on these settings. Okay, just click on the settings. On these settings. Okay, just click here. So once you click on that settings, what you will do, you have to come over to this place that says block number. Okay, guys, pay attention. We have different type of blocking numbers, so I'm going to make a video how to explain better for you guys to understand. On this place, we're going to click on block number. Okay, block number. Now here we have different settings. Okay, we are not going to touch on this very one that are up here. Okay, what we are going to work on, we are going to work on this family and friends slash private calls. Okay, so I'm going to click on this place. This is where we are going to enable the settings. So click here, and now you are going to choose a particular SIM card that you actually want only your family to be calling you. Okay, so now I'm going to choose a SIM card now, which I'm going to choose my second SIM card. Okay, I want only my family to be calling me on this contact. Okay, just my family, my loved ones, and people that I will actually include on this SIM card. These are the people that can be able to call me. So I want you to understand that the only people that can be able to call you in this SIM card is the people that you include. So if anybody have your phone number and try to call the SIM card, it will not go. Okay, so I'm going to click on add. So over there, they are going to tell me to add the particular numbers that I actually want them to be calling me. So here I'm going to type 001666. So you make sure you know the people contact that you actually want to add. And once you have typed all, and then here you can click on this place that says add. Okay, so once you click here, you're going to add those contact. Okay, so it's going to add those contacts. So it's very simple. Once I click here add, it's going to add a number. But for me, I'm not going to add this because I don't want to set any SIM card for private calls. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you love this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned to another video. If only you turn the bell icon so that you don't miss my video or my update. I really appreciate you for standing by for watching this video to the end. Thank you.